In this video, how to edit documents on Docusign. I will show you step by step how to edit documents in Docusign before sending for signature. First, go to the Docusign website in your browser or open the Docusign app. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the main account dashboard. Now click the option called New or Send an Envelope. Click Upload to upload the document you want to edit. Select the file from your computer or phone. After the document uploads, click Next. Now you will see the Docusign document editor. You can add fields that need to be completed. Drag the signature field to the place where the person should sign. You can also add a text field by clicking Text. Click on the document to place the text field. You can also add a date field by clicking Date. You can resize fields by dragging the edges. You can also move fields to different positions on the document. If needed, you can replace the file by clicking Upload again. Select the new document to replace the previous one. After making the changes, review the document. Make sure all fields are correct. Now click Save or Send to finish. This is how you can edit documents in Docusign before sending for signature.